Spain to make some train journeys free, from September. Public transport prices on state-owned service across Spain have already been slashed in half, in response to rapidly rising energy and inflation rates. Now, the government has announced further 100% discounts. As of September, passengers will be able to travel across various trains, operated by public train network,
Renfe,
for absolutely nothing. Spain's Prime Minister, Pedro Sánchez, has announced that multi-journey tickets for trains operated by the network's public services, cercanías, rodalies and media distance, equivalent to local and medium-distance journeys, are to be free of charge, from September 1st up until the end of the year. The measure excludes single-journey tickets or long-distance travels, according to public broadcaster TVE. Multi-journey tickets include a minimum of 10 return trips. The government promises to slash taxes. Equivalent. The French word has no equivalent in English.